Think about it. Do you really want to spend months or years litigating your case in court and spending tens of thousands of dollars to resolve your divorce or family law case? I'm Gerald Maggio, a trained California divorce mediator, licensed divorce attorney, and founder of California Divorce Mediators. We offer a way to resolve your case amicably and at a lower cost than traditional divorce cases. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you the 6 main benefits of divorce mediation over traditional litigation. Number 1, cooperation. Mediation involves a way to resolve your case through cooperation and an amicable way to resolve your case where both parties are working together rather than having an adversarial approach and fighting each other. Number 2, control over decisions. In mediation, the parties work amicably to resolve issues in a way that's in the best interests of themselves and the children while being insightful about what the other party wants and working out a resolution that works for everyone. Let's be honest, do you want to resolve issues like custody out of court with your spouse or significant other that you had a child with in a way that works out a resolution that is better for everyone involved, that you have control over, or do you really want to leave that decision up to the court, to a person that really doesn't know you very well, doesn't really know your spouse very well, doesn't know your children? I don't think so. Number 3, confidentiality. In divorce mediation, those proceedings are done in a private setting and they're confidential, and such information, what basically is going on in divorce mediation, cannot be discussed with anyone, cannot be brought up to in court if ever that were to occur in the future. It's simply a private affair and none of that's revealed to anyone. Moreover, in a traditional divorce case, if it's litigated, there could be documents that are filed with the court. Anybody can look it up. Your neighbor can go look up and find out anything about your divorce case that may have been filed and order the documents. Do you really want to have all that revealed, or would you rather mediate your divorce case so that all that information is confidential and limited in terms of what is filed with the court? Number 4, cost effectiveness. The bottom line is that divorce mediation is a fraction of the cost of a traditional divorce case. At a minimum, it's less than half the cost of a traditional divorce retainer. Divorce mediation limits the amount of court involvement and the amount of time spent on a case. That allows you to save a lot of money in your case and resolve a case much quicker. Number 5, faster resolutions. Because divorce mediations are not contingent about filing documents with the court that end up with hearings at the courthouse and so on, you simply are able to resolve your case much sooner because we can focus on the issues, get the issues resolved, get your final paperwork, your final judgment done, get that to the court, and you're done. Number 6 is reduce stress. I would say comparable to the issue of trying to save money in a divorce case, cost is always an issue. The other one, and probably I would say the biggest issue of why people like to do divorce mediation and why it is beneficial to people, is because it simply reduces the amount of stress in a divorce case. You don't have to go to court, you're not sitting in a courtroom, you're not having to worry about what the court thinks, what the court is going to rule on. You have control over your case and you have control over the outcome of your case. If you and your spouse are looking for an amicable, lower cost way to resolve your case, please contact us at California Divorce Mediators for more information. We'll tell you what the process is, we'll tell you what we can do for you, and we'll get you started. I'm Gerald Maggio, California Divorce Mediator. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video for more helpful information about mediation of family law and divorce cases and about divorce in general. Thanks. See you next time.